Hey, what's up you guys, it's Alex here, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry I haven't posted in a month, even though I keep saying I will, but we all know that's a lie at this point. Now, I'm in college, this is my dorm, my roommates aren't here, which is why I'm filming this now, and why I'm editing now. So I made this video about a month ago, pretty much explaining my normal makeup routine slash the base of all of my cosplay makeup. I just wanted to give it to you just to help, I guess. I'm not really sure. I hope you guys enjoy it. It was fun to make because I love doing makeup. I also am doing a poll on my Instagram right now for what makeup you guys want to see. So far Toga is winning, so I might be doing a Toga makeup tutorial soon, so look out for that. I hope I will be posting it soon and not like this. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe because I will try. And I'm going to start vlogging because I'm buying a new camera. I swear guys, it's going to be different. I always say that, but I mean it. But yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay, so the first thing we're going to start off with is a primer. You always want to prime your face before you do makeup just because like it will make your skin smooth. I also put a little extra under my eyes because I do have bags and those are cute. Next, we're going to use color corrector. These are the Maybelline color correctors. They're like $7 at the drugstore. I use the red for my under eyes because like I said, I have really bad bags, and I use the green for if I have like a pimple or any red marks. I usually have a lot of red around my nose area, so that's where I use it the most. Next, I'm going to take a beauty blender and just blend that all in. Next, we're going to use the Fenty foundation. I am shade 300, I think. You're going to put a little on your hand and then just blob it around all over your face, just so make sure it's even, because you don't want to have too much in one area. And you're just going to go and blend that in as well. Drowning his troubles in whiskey bubbles, just looking for trouble. Next, we're going to take the NARS concealer. As of right now, I'm using the Too Faced concealer, but this is what I used to use. You're going to put that under your eyes, your nose, your chin, and your forehead. I also like to put some underneath my nose just to brighten up that area of my face. And you're just going to blend that in as well. There's a lot of blending in the beginning. Then we're going to take our setting powder. This is the Kat Von D setting powder. I absolutely love it. You're going to put that everywhere that you put concealer, just so it stays down and also brightens your face. I just started baking. Can say I absolutely love it and 100% recommend. But make sure you get a setting powder that looks good on your skin. This is the translucent one, so it looks great. While we're letting our face bake, we're going to do our eyebrows. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow crayon. I think it's in the shade dark brown, if I remember correctly, and you're just going to trace out your eyebrow. If you actually want to go to my Instagram, I have a tutorial on how to do your eyebrows and my highlighted features. So if you definitely want to get a tutorial just on that, you can go there and look. Next, you're going to take the pomade, still from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and an eyebrow brush, and you're just going to scoop some up, and you're just going to wipe the excess on the cap, just so you don't have too much and your eyebrows don't get too dark. And you're just going to fill it in. Start at the arch of the brow, work your way down, so that way when you get to the front there's less products and you can get a nice fade. I traced the other one off camera, and I'm just going to fill that one in as well. I do like my eyebrows to be a little darker than normal people do. That's just a personal preference of mine, but you can do your eyebrows as any way you like. Next, you're going to take a powder brush, and you're just going to wipe away all of the setting powder. It should have set your face so you don't crease under your eyes, and also you just have a nice highlight on your face. Make sure you get rid of all of it, because the last thing you want is setting powder just somewhere on your face and you look crusty. Next, we're going to take the bronzer. I use the Hourglass bronzer. It is expensive, but you can just use any bronzer. I just happened to get this one for Christmas and I'm absolutely in love with it. I'm going to put that on the 3 of your face, so your cheekbones, the top of your forehead, and your chin. This is just going to add some color back to your face since right now you are just one-dimensional with the foundation and concealer. Next we're going to take a blush, also from Hourglass. Again, got this for Christmas. And just going to put that on your cheekbones to give your face a nice rosy color. Now we're going to do eyeliner. This is a more natural look. I do like to put a little eyeliner on just for a dramatic effect. I am going to do a wing. I start off with the outer part of my lid to draw a line up and just kind of connect it, as you can kind of see. It took me a long time to try to do a wing right, so just practice. Practice makes perfect. This is also the Kat Von D eyeliner. Right now I'm using the Kat Von D Dagger eyeliner. It makes it easier to draw a wing to make it nice and sharp. Next we're going to just take a little highlighter, put that on top of your cheekbone, the bridge of your nose, and underneath your head. Next, this is the Maybelline lipstick in matte. I'm not the biggest fan of this lipstick, but I do like the color of it. It is a little tacky though, so if that doesn't bother you, you're all set. Next, we're going to use the Urban Decay setting spray, because this stuff will make your makeup last all night long. So just try it off. Alright guys, and this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope this helped you with your makeup. Alright, see you guys later.